Hey y'all, thanks for stopping by and checking out what I got going on here in the kitchen today. We're going to do a little bit of campfire cooking for y'all. So sit back, relax, and grab your favorite beverage, and we're going to get to cooking. Alright y'all, we're going to start out here. We're going to start out with the side dishes. So you want to get yourself a little plate there. We're going to do a couple of potatoes. And the way I do my potatoes is I'll put them on a little plate there. Just a little drizzle of olive oil here. Rub them down. Get them all nice and rubbed down with that olive oil. And then once you get that done, put them off to the side there. Wash my hands. I'll come right back. Once you get your potatoes rubbed down with that olive oil, stick them in the middle of a baking or aluminum foil there. And I always I put salt in mine. I put just a splash of pepper, but you don't have to do that, but you know, I do. And then I always put a little sprinkle of garlic powder in there with mine. And then all you got to do, seal it up. Hold them ends up good and tight. Yeah, that German wood worked good and taut. So there's that one. We'll get our other one over here. Do the same thing with it. Again, a little salt. And even if I'm baking these in the oven, I'll do the same thing. I'll rub them with olive oil, put a little salt on them on the outside, throw them on the baking sheet there, just bake them in the oven. But like I said, we're doing some campfire cooking today, so we're going to do it this way. Bring it up, roll it down. And there we have it. We got our two potatoes ready to go. Let me get set up and we'll show you the next side dish. Alright y'all, next thing we're going to do is we're going to do some sweet corn. This sweet corn here is compliments of Mark and Sandy from Twisted V-Twin Garage. Thank you guys for donating that to the channel. And the way I do mine is I put a couple pats of butter in there. And again, just a little bit of salt. Don't need much on these. And just a little sprinkle of pepper. And I'm going to double wrap these because this aluminum foil is real thin stuff. It's not the real heavy duty. So I'm going to wrap it once like that. Fold that end in, fold that end in. And then I'm going to bring another piece up. Do the exact same thing. Roll it down. Kind of twist that end in. Twist that end in. And there's that one. I'm going to do two ears. So there's that one. Got that. Get our butter in here. Got the butter in there. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. A little sprinkle of salt again. A little bit of pepper. And then we'll roll them up. And see, I just ripped that piece of aluminum foil. Oh well, I'm still going to use it. We'll just wrap it up like that. And then I'll probably just get another piece of foil and put on another layer of foil and put on the outside of that. So, alright. There's our corn ready to go. I'm going to grab another piece of aluminum foil, do it up again just to make sure that it's sealed up good. But we'll bring it back for the main course. Alright y'all, hope you all ready for this. We got our main course coming in here. We got our wire basket here. And what we're going to cook A couple nice T-bone steaks. Woo-hoo. Don't that look delicious? Now the way I do mine, again, a little bit of olive oil. Kind of rub it down on there. You know, it doesn't have to take much. This is basically just to keep them from sticking to the wire basket. You know, so you can use cooking spray if you want, but I've always found this method here works the best. So I'll flip that one over, flip it over here. I need just a little bit more olive oil. There we go. Get them nice and lubed up. Alright. We got her now. Well, we ain't cooking with no gas. Not today. So, now for the seasonings. I don't like a whole lot of seasoning, but we'll put a little bit of salt on there, a little bit of garlic powder, and a little bit of black pepper. Now some of this will come off from the cooking and stuff, so if it looks like I'm putting a lot on, the only reason is just to keep it on there while I'm doing the initial cooking. If you got your steak seasoned up nice and cooked well, you don't need no stinking steak sauce or anything like that. You know, good steak don't need no sauce. So, a little bit of salt there, a little bit of pepper. Alright, there's all that. Then, just take our top of the basket here, stick it in, push it down, and it will lock it in place. And we're ready to cook, y'all. So, let me go out and check our cooking fire, and we'll bring you back when we're ready to put all this stuff on. Alright, y'all. Fire's burning down here pretty nice, so I'm going to go ahead and throw these potatoes in here and get them a-cooking. First I'm going to move these coals around a little bit. Alright. Got that. I'll throw them taters in there. And they're already starting to sizzle, so taters take the longest, so I'm going to start the taters, and I'm going to go back in and get the rest of the stuff and bring it out, and we'll get ready to put the rest of the stuff in here. So we'll bring you all back whenever we get ready to throw the rest of it in. Alright, y'all, I've had the potatoes on there about 15-20 minutes. I went ahead and threw the corn on there. It's starting to cook there a little bit. Next we'll get the about 5 minutes here, we'll get the steaks on there to cook. Alright, y'all, it's time to stick them steaks on there. Move these coals around a little bit here. We're going to stick them steaks on now. Oh yeah. Got them on there. Now let them cook a little bit. We'll bring you back when we get closer to being done. Alright, y'all. It's been about 5 minutes or so here. I'm going to flip these over. Ooh, look at that deliciousness. Oh yeah, them things are going to be awesome. Taste of the wood smoke, wood fire there cooking. It's going to be awesome. I'll bring you back when we're even a little closer. Alright, y'all, it's been about another 10 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and flip these over one more time here. Check them out on the other side. Ooh. Ooh, y'all. Yeah. They're cooking. They're getting there. So, I'll let them cook a little longer on that side there. And we're going to pull them off, take them in the house, plate them up, and we'll let y'all see what the end results are. Alright, y'all. Such a beautiful day out here. I decided I'd eat outside, so there you have it. We got the steak there, corn, potatoes. I'm going to turn the camera around here and I'll show y'all what it tastes like. Alright, y'all. Sitting out here to have my steak and corn and potatoes. I'm going to start out with a little bit of potato here because it looks really good. And I like the way they cook out there. I'm dropping it all down my beard and everything. Oh well. Eat outside. You can do that. So, grab another bite here. Oh. Excellent. 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 So, try a little bit of this corn here. That's good and sweet. Thank you, Mark and Sandy. That was that's a good buy there. They bought it, donated it to me. Now we're gonna try this steak here. Oh. Ooh. Oh yeah. Try not to fling it everywhere. I mean, it's good and tender, but like I said, I'm trying not to fling it all over the place here, so I get a piece cut off. All right, perfectly done. Medium well over that open fire. Huh. Now, of course, you know, you got the steak and potato and corn. You know, you got to have your favorite beverage. You know, what goes better with a steak than a beer? Root beer for me, y'all. That is awesome. The taste of the wood fire there. Now, I know I'm just in my backyard. Y'all can do it in your backyard. You can do it where you're camping. But get out there and cook, y'all. Tastes so good, you know. Even if you're just roasting hot dogs or whatever. Sorry about the car noise. You know, get out there and cook something, y'all. So, appreciate y'all stopping, checking out what I'm cooking out here. And if you would, please, hit that thumbs up button. Hit the share button. Share it out to your friends. Let them see what we're cooking. See what they're missing out on. You know, and if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a dime. It's free. But it helps me out. And I really appreciate it. Appreciate all my subscribers and all my viewers. And all my friends. So, don't forget about the weekly live stream, 7 p.m. Sunday nights, Eastern Time. Stop by, hang out. We talk about a little bit of everything. Small engine work. Talk about some cooking. Talk about life in general. What's going on in the universe. So, as always, y'all, thank you. Appreciate you stopping by. And we will catch you on the next one. And as always, bear appetit.